Welcome back to the channel, everyone. I'm continuing my journey through Old Dubai by visiting a place where some of the world's most dazzling and expensive treasures await. Today, I'm diving into the heart of the city's golden legacy, exploring a place where the street sparkles, the Dubai Gold Souq. If it's your first time here on the channel, welcome. I post airline trip reports and travel vlogs, so if you're passionate about exciting travel and in-flight experiences, you are in the right place. So grab a seat, hit subscribe, and enjoy this window into Old Dubai. We'll start off with a classic Dubai experience, a water taxi ride across the historic Dubai Creek. I boarded from Al Seef, where I'd just finished exploring the historical neighborhood, and you can watch that video at the link above. And from the moment you step onto one of these traditional abras, you're transported into a different era, where the modern meets the ancient. As we set off across the water, you can feel the heartbeat of Old Dubai in the air. The creek has been a lifeline of the city for centuries, connecting communities and cultures from around the world. Look around. This is where the story of Dubai began, from humble trading posts to the bustling metropolis we know today. But before we dive into the glittering treasures of the Gold Souq, let's enjoy this peaceful little ride. The water taxi, or Abra as it is known locally, is a must-do experience for any visitor. It's not just a mode of transport, it's a journey into the soul of the city. For just a couple of dirhams, you can take in these stunning views of the skyline juxtaposed with the rich heritage of the old city. After a couple of minutes, we arrive in Deira, an old Deira Street, one of the oldest and most iconic streets in Dubai. As we walk through, you'll see how history is preserved in every corner, from the architecture to the aromas wafting through the air. The area has also been beautifully decorated for Ramadan. This street was once the heart of commerce in Dubai, a place where merchants from all over the world gathered to trade goods, from spices to textiles, and of course gold. Today, it's still a thriving market, as you can see, but with a touch of nostalgia that takes you back in time. I couldn't resist entering this shop selling saffron, the world's most legendary spice. Saffron is also very expensive, since it's just a small part of the flower, the stigmatas, that are harvested. The harvesting actually must be done manually, and it apparently takes approximately 75,000 saffron flowers to make just 1 pound of saffron spice. and here we are at the legendary Dubai Gold Souq, a place where the walls literally glitter with gold. This is where Dubai earned its nickname, the City of Gold. Walking through the main pedestrian thoroughfare, you're surrounded by the craftsmanship that has been passed down through generations. The Gold Souq is not just a market, it's a testament to the skills of the artisans who have mastered the art of goldsmithing. Each piece here, from the simple to the crazy extravagant, is a work of art, handcrafted with precision and care. Whether you're here to buy or just to admire, the Gold Souq offers a glimpse into the opulence and tradition that Dubai is famous for. Did you know that Dubai's Gold Souq is actually one of the largest in the world, with over 380 shops? And unlike most places, the price of gold here is based mostly on weight, with just a small charge for making or craftsmanship, making it one of the best places to buy gold. The atmosphere here is noisy, electric, and filled with the sounds of bargaining, the clinking of gold, and the excitement of finding that perfect piece. Whether you're a seasoned shopper, first-time visitor, the Gold Souq is an experience you won't forget. There's also a variety of gentlemen trying to entice you about amazing deals just off the main tourist areas, where you can buy fake watches, fake designer bags, etc. I'm not really into that stuff, so I didn't entertain them. Plus, I had my camera out filming, so they were a little bit wary about approaching me and being recorded. But I'm sure there's other videos on YouTube that you can search if you want details on the counterfeit experience here. While the Gold Souq is the most famous souk here, there are a number of other souks that you can explore. Let's take a peek of the Grand Souq. One can't help but appreciate these vibrant spices, a feast for the eyes and the nose. Each one tells a story of trade routes and cultural exchange, bringing the flavors of the world to this very spot. If you're heading to Dubai, remember that it is more than just a city of skyscrapers. It's a city of stories, traditions, and timeless treasures waiting to be discovered. Today's journey has taken us from the waters of the creek to the vibrant streets of Deira ending here in the heart of Dubai's golden heritage. Now it's time to head back across the creek to Al Seef where my car is parked. I just love these abras. Every person on this boat has a unique connection to Dubai. Whether they're here to explore or are simply heading home, the creek has always been a melting pot where East meets West and where traditions blend seamlessly with modernity. Thanks so much for joining me on this journey, and if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the like button, comment, and subscribe for more explorations of Dubai and beyond. Until next time, happy travels.